Rainbows and welcome back to my channel. This is Janice and today I'm going to be doing a palette review for you. I'm going to be doing some up close swatches and also a close up so you can have a look at the palette, and this is going to be the Morphe 3503, which is Fierce by Nature. This is just absolutely beautiful and I'm going to show you now how gorgeous she is. Look at her. Now I do apologise, I have already used her several times, and she is just gorgeous. Any of you that follow me on Instagram would have already seen the looks that I've done. They have been really bright orange and green looks, and I don't really feel that they are appropriate for today. I want to do something a little bit more subtle. So I have already put some paint pot on by MAC, and we will start a look now, and then, no I won't, we'll do a close-up now so you can have a look and see what the close-up look like. Then you can come back to me and we'll do the look for you. Go. So you've seen what she looks like up close and personal. I'll do some swatches later so you won't miss out, don't worry. Okay, so we're going to use this colour here, Trance, which is this sort of creamy colour, and we're going to go in just under the eyes, under the eyebrows, and this is literally just to take the shine off, because I know what I'm like, my eyebrows do go a bit shiny. Like so. Okay, so I know what sort of look I'm going for today. I think I'm going to go for a warm pinky colour because I do really love pink. So I'm going to go for a pinky colour today. Yeah, I think that is what I'm going to do. Okay, so I'm going to pop in my crease. I'm going to pop this colour here, which is Tempting. So it's sort of like a pinky colour, almost like a salmon pink, or as my friend says, salmon pink. So let's just pop that in the crease. Oh, she's pretty. She's pretty. So we'll just pop that in. So let's just zoom in a bit. Okay, so let's just blend that out and see how that goes. Oh, that's perfect. Absolutely perfect. Beautiful. And then we're going to take the same brush and we're going to go in with the colour next to it. and this is Flame Game, and that is this colour here, which is slightly darker. So we'll just pop that here, just heavier on the outer corner, and then just go over the lid slightly, but not into that crease. Like so. She's very pretty. It is Warning Label, which is this one here. It's a very, very deep pink. And again, just dabbing on to the outside and down onto the lid. Pretty. That is so pretty. And then I'm going to go back in with the Flame Game and just go on that edge. And I'm just going to blend that. Like so. I'm going to go my under eye. I'm going to go with this really poppin' pink here, which is Unstoppable. That is very, very pink. I'm just going to go under my eye here. I'm only going to go halfway down and just take her up like so. And one in. I'm going to go in the inner corner with this colour here, which is Frenzy. Just take that to there, so that means in the middle here, which is Embers. I'm going to take a flat brush oh, look at that. That's very beautiful. So it's going up into the corner. So it's almost like a diagonal line. And then just blend them two colours in down the middle. Like so. And then blend up as well. Like so. And I think that is going to be my finished look. That is my finished look. So I'm just going to pop on some eyeliner and mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, so this is the finished look. I don't think I'm focusing very, very well. I'll give it a chance to focus in. So, yeah, I'm really, really chuffed with it. I'll show you the other eye now. There we go. So that is what she looks like. I'm really, really chuffed with it. So yeah, I've had to put my torch on my phone because it's suddenly gone really, really dark. So there you go. So I'll turn that off. Yeah, I'm really, really impressed with it. Really impressed with it. So let's just come into the light a little bit. There we go, into the daylight. That's the only problem with filming in daylight, is that obviously night's now starting to pull in, so it's getting a bit harder. But yeah, this is absolutely fantastic. I love this. I've used this more in the last week than what I have any other time with any other Morphe palette. So yeah, I mean, I've got a couple of looks on Instagram where I've used this colour and these colours here, and wow, 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 wow. I mean, just absolutely beautiful. If I can, I'll try and upload the pictures here if I can. This is £24. If you use the code makeup at checkout, you will get 10% off. And it's a generic code that I've found. It doesn't give anybody any pennies or whatever. It's just like, because I'm not being funny, but I hate all this affiliation with people that then turn nasty. So I just use the code makeup. But yeah, as you can see, lights are now really, really, really pulling out. Should I go all about? They're really pulling in. So yeah, we'll just go back over again what I used. We used these two colours here. This in my crease, and then we blended it out with this, and then we popped that in the outer corner, and then we popped this on the inner corner and under half the eye. And then over here we used this colour here to go over the lid. So I don't think it's a complicated look at all. I think it's very bright, very different, very different. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. I'm really happy with that. So anyway, thank you so much guys for watching. I really, really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. So take care for now and have a beautiful day. Bye bye.